Hi friends, today we will learn data validation and Sumif function together. So firstly we will learn data validation. For data validation we need to go data tab, then we will select data validation. In allow field we will select list, okay, and in source I will click and select the list, okay, then I will click OK button. Here you can see our data validation created. Now we will learn Sumif function. Okay, so we will write down Sumif formula. Okay, now it's asking for range, so I will give the range. Okay, then comma. Now it's asking for criteria. In criteria I will select city. Okay, then sum range. Sum range I will select this data. Okay, then I will close the bracket. Here by selecting the changing the city, the automated population will change as per the city. Bangalore, we can check Hyderabad. So here is Hyderabad 102. Okay, I'm changing this city to Surat 784. It's got change. Thank you for watching.